This is a product video for PID Proseries Profinisher. The Profinisher set comes in a custom white box that has a product description and URL on the back. To open the box, simply pull up, and inside are the pair of Profinishers that are encased in a protective foam bed. Both sides of the Profinisher have a function. One is a Micro-Squeegee, while the other is rounded for tucking into gaps. Both the black and red Profinishers have the exact same shape, just different functions based on the black being harder than the red. Be sure to save the box for storing the Profinisher safely when done with the install. The Profinisher has an ergonomic shape to help lessen fatigue and make for more accurate work during the install. The low profile of the Micro-Squeegee allows it to fit easily into a tool pouch slot. The Profinishers can come in handy for the prep process on a vehicle. The black, harder Profinisher can be good for removing tight clips on sensitive hardware like the Mercedes emblem and gas cap. It can also be placed inside a microfiber towel to use for cleaning tight gaps on headlights and between the bumper and fender section of vehicles. During the install, the Profinishers have a wide range of areas they can be useful in. Here, they are being used on the tuck and cut approach to the window molding. For molding that can be tough to work the film behind, using both the black and red Profinishers together is key. The stiffness of the black is great for lifting the rubber, while the softness of the red seals the film safely. For other sections, the red Profinishers can be used to tuck the film into the gap to set it up for the cut. Once the film is ready to cut, the Pro Knife and Pro Blade are used to cut away the excess film safely. The red Profinisher is used again, this time to seal the film tight onto the surface to ensure durability. Using both sides of the Profinisher help make rounding corners and sealing tight gaps, commonly found on fenders, a straightforward process. Here, the rounded tucking tip of the Profinisher seals the corners in combination with light heat to soften the film. The PROGLOVE helps round the film onto the flat sections, as well as helps work the film away from bunching up on the corners. The Micro-Squeegee side then seals the tight gaps between the corners, which helps the film hold for the long term. On bumpers, both front and back, the Profinishers can help work the film under grills and other molding. The Pro-Squeegee helps round the film from the face of the bumper to the gap. With the material set, both sides of the Profinisher are used to feed the film under the edge. This process can help the installer remove less hardware during the prep phase, which is a big time and cost saver. For raised objects like door handles, antennas, and emblems, the Profinishers can help seal the tight gaps for full coverage. And with color change film, which is often wrapped around the body edges for deeper coverage, this can result in a lot of tension building up. Using the red Profinisher in combination with heat to relax the film, the material can be fed to the edge. The micro-thin edge of the Profinisher helps slice the film in increments to the gap. And by feeding the film in tight to the gap, less tension builds up on the corners, which results in higher quality. For deep recessed sections on bumpers, the length of the Profinishers helps installers go deep into these areas. The plastic body also makes it safe for installers to use when picking the film off the surface instead of using their blade, which can damage it. For bumper sensors, which are notoriously tricky to set up and finish, using a burnishing tool to get the material to the edge, then cutting it safely away is key. Then, using the Profinisher, first the rounded tucking edge to finish the inside gap will help seal with high quality. Then, the installer can flip the Profinisher around to use the Micro-Squeegee side to seal the outside edge. Both the red and black Profinishing tools will quickly become essential for installers to have close by during all phases of the wrapping process. Having them next to the item being wrapped, like this door handle, or at the front of the tool bag is a smart choice to ensure high workflow and focus. For more information on the Profinisher and to find a distributor near you, you can go to pidproseries.com. You can also follow them on Facebook and Instagram. This has been an official product video for PID Proseries Profinisher, proudly produced by the Wrap Institute.